Hey guys, Dylan does it. Today I'm just going to be testing out this helmet chin mount GoPro camera mount. That's a mouthful. I don't have any other footage from this ride. I didn't wear any other cameras. I just wanted to test out this one. So far, after looking over the footage, the first thing I notice is that the wind noise is awful. I tried to cut out the worst of it for the video. Yeah, sorry for the wind noise, guys.
Wait.
Am I gonna wait? Nah, it's all clear. I'm going. So I got these new fenders on the wheels to stop them from splashing water around when I drive through puddles, but looks like when I hit that bump, the back one came off.
Cheap little piece of shit.
Ha! Look, I spotted a DeLorean. I had to stop and make sure that I got that on camera. This mall is usually way busier than this. It used to be, during the whole shutdown and everything, there used to not be any cars here at all, and it was a really fun place to ride around. But now there's a few cars here, so I don't want to hang out that long. It's not that I think I'll get in trouble or anything, I just wanted to get out and get to the trails and ride around and then head home. Speaking of trails, let's go ahead and make our way on down to those. The speed limit on this road's 40, but cars like driving down it at 60. There's a sidewalk available, so I'm gonna get on it. And here we are, back behind these malls, and under 78 there are some like 4x4 trails. They're kind of fun place to ride around. Not many other bicyclists or other people in general there. But before we go too deep, there's a stopping point that I always come to, is this bridge. It used to actually be a road, and cars actually used to drive over it, but it's been closed down for a long time.
Oops, I just hit my garage door opener. Let me hit it again.
There's always stuff here like someone sleeps here, but I've never actually seen them. Left takes us down a straight path along the railroad. Right takes us down a path into the trails under the trees and down to the creek. If you look around these really big power lines, you can usually find unofficial roads like this that are usually a bit of fun to ride around on, you know, electric bikes and four-wheelers and 4x4s and stuff.
This mudguard sucks!
This set of mudguards that I got for the bike, the front was performing really good, I liked it, but the rear was just really flimsy and it kept slapping the rear tire and I didn't like it, and also it broke off earlier. The front was great, but the rear was bad, so I give it a 50. It's still an F.
That got my butt wet.
This was the e-bike's first ever creek crossing, and it wasn't really that bad, but I just wanted to look over the motor and everything just to make sure it lived through that. The motor was still working fine. I didn't see water in anything that it shouldn't have been in. And I noticed that there were some people at the golf course up on the other side of this creek that were looking at me, so I think I need to cross this creek and get back.
Get it.
Also, this is making to be kind of a longer video than I wanted it to be, so I'm just going to show the highlights of the way back home, and that'll be it.